Hi, Union Chapel, families, parents, students. It's Mrs. Hyatt, the library media specialist, here to talk to you about summer reading. Summer reading is more important than ever this year. I have attached a virtual classroom to this email that has links to 5 different summer reading programs. It is also available on our Union Chapel website. If you go to the Union Chapel website and over to the second tab that says About Our School and down to Media Center, you will find a virtual classroom that talks about summer reading programs. There are books on the bookshelf here that have the links to those specific reading programs. For example, this one is to the Scholastic Summer Reading Program. When you click on that book, it opens the link that tells about the Read-a-Palooza. If you click on the book that says Imagine Your Story, that is for the Mid-Continent Public Library Summer Reading Program. If you click on this picture of Chuckie Cheese, he has a summer reading program as well. If you click on the book in the middle here, that is an online summer reading program. Kind of fun. If you click on this last book, Barnes & Noble has a summer reading program where you can earn a free book. So pick and choose from those, any that you like. Do one of them, do all of them. It's up to you. If you're having trouble finding books, please remember the Mid-Continent Public Library has opened for curbside pickup now, so you can place books on hold and drive through and safely get books in your hands. But if you'd like to continue reading with electronic books, I've put right on this page the links for Sora so that you can go right there and get your books that you've been checking out through the Park Hill School District. Or I put the link for Epic, which a lot of you like to use, where you get the books using your class code. There's some other fun things on here that are books for you to read. If you click on the library cat, it's me reading a story about a cat. If you click on Miss Creedon, this is a link to our UC Read Alouds on our Union Chapel website, which has now 30 different books read by Union Chapel staff. If you click on Mrs. Hyatt, this is me in the Chiefs gear, this is where you can submit your information on if you have completed a summer reading program to be eligible for a special surprise when we return in August. There's a few other things available for you to click on just for fun. If you click on the Gator, if you feel like singing the Gator song, if you're missing seeing faces from Union Chapel, you can click on the Gator Gang YouTube channel and see a lot of our staff and their videos they created for you. If you want to go to the Instagram UC Media account and see our posts from this year, that's available too. So hopefully this will give you some information to keep you busy with reading this summer. I hope it's helpful. Please email me if you have any questions. My email address is hyattk@parkhill.k12.mo.us. And keep reading.